Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Cavinti Laguna, exploring one of its hidden gems, the breathtaking Lumut Mahipon Lake. This peaceful freshwater lake is surrounded by rolling hills, lush trees, and the kind of scenery that makes you instantly forget the noise of the city. We started our morning at 5558 campsite, waking up to cool air and the soft sound of the lake just a few steps away. After breakfast, we hopped on a boat for a relaxing lake cruise, and this is where the magic began. The moment we set off, we were greeted by calm waters stretching as far as the eye could see, reflecting the sky like a giant mirror. The gentle breeze carried the fresh scent of nature, and every direction offered a postcard-perfect view. Along the shoreline, we passed by several other campsites, each one tucked between the trees, offering that perfect balance of adventure and tranquility. You could see tents pitched right by the water, hammocks swaying under the shade, and small docks where people were fishing or just soaking in the view. It made me realize how this lake is not just a destination, but a community of nature lovers. As we moved toward the middle of the lake, the scene became even more alive. Birds, lots of them, were gathered around the fish fences, gliding effortlessly over the water or resting on wooden posts. These fish pens are part of the local livelihood, but they also create a natural gathering spot for wildlife, turning the lake into a sanctuary for both people and animals. Watching the birds take off in unison felt like something straight out of a nature documentary. The whole cruise was slow, calming, and deeply refreshing. It wasn't just about seeing the view, it was about feeling it. The sound of water gently hitting the boat, the warmth of the sun balanced by the cool Cavinti breeze, and the peaceful rhythm of life here reminded me why I love exploring hidden places like this. If you're looking for an escape where you can reconnect with nature, unwind and witness beauty at its purest form, Cavinti's Lumut Mahipon Lake is a place you shouldn't miss. Whether you come here for camping, fishing, boating, or simply to breathe fresh air, this lake will leave you with memories that linger long after you've left. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. I'll see you in the next one.
So lawa na talaga dati ito kaya? O, parang palayan, no? Ha? Man-made lang to? Paano man-made?
Ginawa lang ko lang.
Inano talaga, binukay lang?
Hindi naman ko lang. Sa mga dati, kasi hindi ba yung ginagawa siya, parang salak-salak.
Oo. Sabi ko parang may mga isles na maliit, parang part lang din dati ng mga ano na naghiwalay na lang dahil tubig na.
Ang dati dito, parang salak tapos ganito.
Parang
Ba't mo kasi ito pasok na?
hindi meron naman talaga. Oo.
Kanya ko sabi ko bukas ako maglalabas. Yan, alam nga lang.
Pagsakan po sa tawagin. Ayun po siya, malapit.